Any suspect?
Right there.
DCTF on the 118.
They're gonna
Hey,
be headed.
get on the fucking
Actually,
ground.
I got 1 unit code 6
Hey.
on the suspect.
Hey, get on the fucking
On
ground.
the,
All of you. Get
on
the
the
fucking
off
ground.
ramp of the
Hey.
118 freeway
Hey.
at Tampa.
Hey, turn around, get on the ground.
Here if you cooperate.
Turn around, get on the ground.
Correction Area 16 has 1 unit code 6 of the
Hey.
suspect. On the off ramp of the 118 in Tampa.
Westbound on the freeway. If I can get units to stay on the freeway.
Get on the ground.
Just past the
Turn around,
overpass.
get on the
One
ground.
suspect, male wearing looks like a yellow shirt, dark pants. He's on
Get on
the
your
embankment
stomach.
just west of the 118 freeway.
Get on your stomachs.
Get on your stomach!
Turn around, get on your stomach.
Area 16 has
Turn
Just
around.
off the freeway here. Unit up, just another code 6, guys. Right hand turn, come down the on ramp.
Well, you need a turn!
Turn
Hold right
around.
there. Hold right there, guys.
Los Angeles Police Department. We are searching for a suspect and are preparing to use a police dog. For your safety, please go inside your home or business and stay inside until we have completed our search. To the person or persons who are hiding from the police, make your location known to us immediately. Put down all weapons, come out with your hands raised, and follow directions. If you do not, a police dog will be used to find you. When the dog finds you, do not move or you may be bitten. You have 1 minute to surrender.
All right, get some cover. Get some cover. Stop foot. Oh, you ready? Flats. 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 Flats.
All right, start crawling towards us. We're gonna take care of you, but you gotta come crawl towards us. Come on over. We're gonna get you an ambulance. Come on, crawl over here towards my voice.